Hello guys! Let's unbox what we got in Temu. My bunso do this for me, unboxing parcel. Okay, bunso? Bumili po ako niyan kasi kailangan natin yan sa pag brown out. Mag-aaway na naman ang mga aso. Get out. Si Blacker unboxing parcel guys from Temu. Power bank. Nautak na rin si Temu. Ito prepaid to. Pinayaran ko na. From FIM25. Oh. Maganda ba? GX20. Ewan ko. Kung may try mo nga i-charge. Meron naman siyang cord. Ay, tinignan ni chinek niya kung ayan saan ang power on. Okay, nagpa-power on naman siya guys. Let's check kung gagana ba pag nag-charge. Of course, kailangan natin i-check kung talagang gumagana pag nag-charge. Para ma-check kung hindi peke. Pero usually legit naman ang nasa Temu. Okay, sinaksak ko na. At jiren, it's charging na guys. Okay. Let's wait for a couple of hours siguro. Yan. Ito ay 784 pesos sa Temu. Mabigat. Kailangan natin to sa brown out pag nag-brown out, di ba? Para hindi maantala ang play natin. May user manual naman po guys. So, may user manual. Sabi niya dito, first use, charge your GX power bank with a fast charger upon receipt. Using a non-fast charger will significantly increase charging time due to shipping regulations can't fully charge the power bank in advance. Thank you for understanding. Temperature note, slight heat during fast charging is normal. Number 3, the battery may not fully activate on the first charge. It will be fully activated after 2 to 3 charging cycles. So the initial charge may not reach 100%. Note, do not hit or shake the power bank violently to avoid damaging the internal precision components. Number 5, thank you for your trust. We appreciate your choice of the GX power bank. We strive to offer the best products at the lowest prices. If you like our product, please follow us and share your experiences using it. Okay. Ito daw. Siyempre, nasa pag-aalaga naman daw. Iba-iba lang ang wordings, pero iba-iba lang ang language na pinagsulatan dito. Pero yun lang ang kaya nating basahin, English. Okay, thanks for watching.